In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Docusign reminders. If you've been getting flooded with those pesky reminders and you're ready to get some peace, you've come to the right place. I'll take you through a few straightforward steps to manage your settings so you can minimize or completely stop these notifications. First things first, let's navigate to the Docusign website. Open up a browser on your computer or any device you're using and type in Docusign's URL. This is your starting point for managing all your documents and settings. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the login button. Give that a click and enter your credentials. It's always a good idea to keep your login details secure, so if you're using a shared computer, be sure to log out when you're done. Once logged in, the interface might look a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with it, but no worries, it's easier to handle than it seems. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Docusign Home section. This should be quite intuitive to find, as it's the main hub where you can manage your documents, track their status, and tweak your settings. Navigating this section efficiently will streamline your experience, helping you get things done quickly. As you find yourself on the Docusign Home dashboard, look for a button that says Start. Click on it. This feature is primarily for initiating new document processes, but it also leads us to the options we need for this tutorial. Once you hit Start, you'll see a variety of options related to document management. Next, we need to access the Advanced settings. Scan your screen for the Advanced Options button. This button is a gateway to more detailed controls that let you manage reminders, notifications, and other document settings. Clicking this will unfold a menu of settings that might seem intricate, but just focus on what we need to achieve today. In the advanced settings, locate the reminders option. This option directly controls the notifications you receive about your documents. By selecting reminders, you'll be able to adjust them to your preference. You could completely turn them off or modify how frequently they appear. Adjusting these preferences can significantly cut down on unwanted interruptions, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated through Docusign to stop those pesky reminders. Don't forget, if you ever need to re-enable them, you can follow these same steps to adjust your preferences again. Thanks for following along, stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.